At Certa, we are working closely with companies across many industries, helping them with their decarbonisation targets. We identified GD plus HVO to be an excellent product for Dublin Port Company to use in their pilot boats.
The HVO trial has gone very well. We initially started the project in early 2023. One of the fundamental questions we wanted to answer was around the safety of the pilot boats in operation using HVO. The piloted service itself is a very hazardous task. It essentially involves a pilot boat pulling up alongside a moving ship and transfer either embarks or disembarks from the vessel onto the pilot boat or vice versa. So it's a very, very hazardous task. Once we had that question answered, we knew it was safe to work away. There was no concerns raised by the marine operatives or any of the team that there was a problem. We then continued on with the trial. We've completed the first phase of the trial with HVO and deep sea dodder. The next stage of the trial will be to try and run HVO on our pilot boats Kamak and Liffey. They both run on Caterpillar engines. They're an older boat, so our intentions will be to trial HVO on that. Again, 100% HVO through those boats. So the benefits for using HVO fuel in the piloted services is that we do approximately 4,000 pilot transfers per annum. That equates to about 250,000 litres of marine diesel used per year. So any opportunity we have to decarbonise that fuel source is beneficial. So this project itself as a trial running HVO is really important to help us try and decarbonise some of our fuel and help us achieve our 2030 targets.